goal with this activity is to really loosen up the chest and improve your deceleration capabilities. If you have any loss of anterior or chest wall expansion, usually indicated with some internal rotation deficits, this is for you. What you're going to do is you want some type of elevated surface. Doesn't have to be this high, but I'm going to use these 2 steps here. You want to get into a push-up position. So for that, you're going to look about a foot ahead, exhale, reach your arms long, lift the legs up. Then from here, all you're going to do is you're going to quickly drop yourself down towards the ground and catch you before touching, like so, just like that. So I get a quick release of the hands, and then I drop and I catch myself in the bottom position. You do not have to do a push-up on the way up necessarily, because it's more about the deceleration piece. So I'm going to get my nice long reach, drop and catch. I'll shift to my knees. That way I just work on the deceleration component. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.